All right. So this version of the Wagner handheld steamer was just introduced a couple of weeks ago. We started with 5,000. We have 1,400 remaining. That's it. Okay. That's all we have remaining. The price on this will go up at the end of the day. You have a sale price saving you $20, and there's free shipping and handling on this, which we always love. We'll talk about those 11 different attachments in a second, but I want you to know that this indeed will convert from a handheld to the floor cleaner as well, so you don't have to buy two separate things. All about steam cleaning, Christopher Joyce with a company that has 50 years of business.
50 years, and they really know what they're doing when it comes to steam. You may know for paint sprayers, but the key about steam is that you're finally able to deep clean all around the house without using a chemically based cleaner. What I love about this unit, it's steam on demand. As soon as I touch the on and off button, that steam is coming out super powerful, unlike most handheld steamers. But unlike most handheld steamers as well, you are getting all these accessories, which I'll show in just a minute after I do this demo. And you can also clean the floor.
I love that, because many times you have to buy two separate things. All right, so this is the Wagner difference. And all you're using is regular tap water.
Just regular tap water. And look what it is doing. It is literally melting away the soap scum, the mineral deposits, whatever's on your glass shower doors or those glass walls. You're not having to use a chemically based cleaner. You're not having to rub and scrub. You're not busting your knuckles. So we're using the squeegee attachment right now, but you're also getting this extra large attachment. And then I'm going to take my cloth here just to get rid of the steam so you can see the difference. So here's your before and here's your after. Quite a dramatic difference. And you didn't have to use chemicals, but you're deep cleaning with the power of steam.
Yep, and that's the beauty of this. I'd go ahead and get this. Would you mind going through?
Not at all. So you get the unit. By the way, you just unscrew this top. Fill it with the tap water. We give you everything you need, including the funnel. You're putting about 9 ounces of tap water or distilled water in there. You're using all these different attachments. So this is the little extension wand that's flexible that I just showed you. That's the squeegee that I just used. All right. We're also giving you a fabric and upholstery steamer. Right there. You're going to love that for the pet beds and for the car. And then you're getting the jet nozzle, which uses all these attachments, including this really unique angled nozzle. You're getting 2 of the bristle brushes, nylon, one brass.
Shower track, look out.
And then, I'll show that, the shower door track. Then you're getting these 2 extension wands, and that's going to create the floor.
Nice.
Okay? And then you get the pad that goes with it. So everything you need to clean from floor to ceiling.
It weighs, without the water, about 3 pounds. So you don't have to worry. It's not like heavy and fatiguing. Now, the oven door is always a source of angst to me, and I'm afraid to turn the oven on to use that oven cleaner thingy because I'm afraid it'll burn the house down.
Well, here's the deal. Even if you use the oven cleaner or the self-cleaning feature on your oven, so often it is the door that simply does not get cleaned. What you're seeing here, it has literally what we call emulsified. It's browning gravy that Taylor torched on here for minutes. Look at that. That is showing you the difference. It broke it down. Exactly. It melted away the dirt. So you don't have to wear a gas mask when you're using that yellow can that you don't have to evacuate the entire house.
I'm always afraid because the oven and food, the whole 9 yards. Could I clean my microwave with it?
Yeah, absolutely. Yeah. You could honestly, you can clean just about anything. Just want to make sure. It looks like there we go. Now we're steaming.
Wow, and you really can see the
steam. You can really see the steam, okay? So that's showing you the power of this unit because it's getting all the way to that floor wand. And now watch this. Now you can clean. The only thing we suggest, if it's a hardwood floor, you just have to make sure it's sealed. But most floors these days are sealed. So it's taking care of all the mess that's on this tile. No problem at all. It's taking care of, in this case, it's a laminate floor. No problem at all. Exactly. And now it's going to take care of all the kind of scuff marks that are on that floor. And then the laminate, the linoleum, you name it, all your floor surfaces. Now you can clean what we call a handheld steamer, but it turns into this unbelievable floor cleaner.
If I run out of water, do I have to turn it off?
You do.
Or can I? Okay, so turn it off and then.
And let me explain why. What makes this unit so special is the fact that, watch this, as soon as I hit that, you are getting steam instantly. So it's actually a boiler in there. It's saying it takes up to 9 minutes to get going. Honestly, I find it's about 3 minutes.
Okay.
And now what I have is this angled nozzle with the attachment. This is the power attachment. Watch this. The shower door track, which is so difficult to clean, it busts the knuckles. Well, no longer. The power of steam literally cuts through all the mess that's on there, so you don't have to bust your knuckles. You don't have to use a toothbrush. And look at that. Your job is done. I'm going to use a cloth, clean it off. Voila. And the mess is gone,
Nice.
even in that shower door track, which would be so typically difficult to clean.
Yeah. Absolutely. That's where you see the wear on your house.
Right.
Many times.
And particularly grout lines too. I don't have that demo here today.
Yeah.
I'm going to take off the angled bristle brush. I'm going to take off the angled brush. I'm going to put the bristle brush on. This is the nylon bristle. And look at this. Look at the power. I just love.
A lot of steam.
And it's instant. See, watch my thumb. As soon as I touch it, that's the Wagner difference.
All right, so that's how you're controlling it.
That's how I'm controlling it.
What kind of stovetop is that?
This is a glass stovetop, which is very sensitive to scratching. And now you finally have a way to take care of all that burned-on mess. And if you have a glass stovetop, you know how difficult it is to get rid of that stuck-on, burned-on mess. In this case, it's really burned on there. I can feel it. But the power of the Wagner gets the job done. Look at that, and you didn't scratch the surface. That's the beautiful thing.
And you use water.
Right,
That's
and now I'm taking off the nylon bristle, and now I'm going to the brass bristle, because now as we go,
that's a tough job.
as we hopefully go into spring,
right.
Look what it's going to do. It's going to bring this grill grate back to brand new without using a chemically based cleaner. You can see it bringing it back to that stainless steel, no problem. Look at this, and your job is done. Here you're seeing it perfectly clean, but also you can really see what it was doing. It just melted away all the debris that was on there probably for a year.
Nice.
Right?
Nice.
Yeah.
Exactly.
Exactly.
The beauty of this is we're giving it to you at a price that's going up at the end of the day. You get 30 days to go ahead and try it. We have 1,200 remaining when we brought in close to 5,000 originally. This is an opportunity, and to get a name that you trust, Wagner. I think, Christopher, we're all getting smarter. We're looking for alternatives to chemicals in our homes.
Exactly right.
We don't want that anymore. And whether you have little ones or pets or just for you, if there's an alternative, then you should try it. And that's what this is all about.
Right, so you don't use chemicals maybe around the baby seat, that type of thing. But then we're giving you the fabric steamer, which I absolutely love. So now you can get to that upholstery, whether it's the car seat, your sofa, all those things.
I love doing the stuffed animals.
Right, exactly right, just like I showed you. Yeah, so that you don't have to use any chemically based cleaner. You can just use the power of steam to deep clean just about anything you can imagine.
That is a lot of steam, boy.
Isn't it? Incredible, right?
Well, let's go back and share with everyone, because, you know, when you look at it, you think, oh, that's a handheld steamer. Nope. It's a handheld, well, maybe happy up. It's a handheld steamer. It's a floor steamer. You get 11 different attachments to it. So literally, there's no room in your house. You couldn't use this. You can even use it outside on windows.
That's right.
You know, in your car if you're so inclined.
Floor to ceiling, so you're getting all these attachments which I showed you. You're getting the squeegee attachment I used at the beginning with this kind of flexible extension. You're getting the fabric, and then of course the floor wands to allow you to clean your floors as well. And then to fill it up, you just use the cup to fill it up, you're good to go.
And this part, you're just gonna wash
over and over.
Over and over.
That's right.
Yeah, you're good to go.
You got it.
I need that for this.
Yeah, just that alone,
just
right?
That
just
alone,
that
that oven door alone. Thank you so much,
Thank
sir.
you.
Always a pleasure. Well, the name of the show is Q-Check, a big deal. So we launched, generally we launch it, but we were second up today because Leah launched the Women with Control, and we had an opportunity to share it with you. We also have a tendency always look at our today's special value, so you can think about that as well. If you want to see the big deals, they get lots of attention. The big deal is not only something that we're excited about, but it is before it's gone. All right.